In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send GIFs on WhatsApp Web. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your WhatsApp Web, looking to add a bit of flair to your conversations with a perfectly timed GIF, but you're just not sure where to start? Fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the simple process of sending GIFs from the comfort of your desktop. Let's dive in and get those messages animated. First things first, you'll need to head over to WhatsApp Web. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in web.whatsapp.com in the address bar. This will take you to the WhatsApp Web homepage, which allows you to use WhatsApp on your computer by mirroring the app from your phone. If it's your first time, you'll have to scan the QR code displayed on the screen with the WhatsApp app on your phone. This syncs up your phone's WhatsApp account with your web browser, giving you access to all your chats right on your desktop. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look through your chat list and decide whom you're going to dazzle with a GIF. Click on the contact you wish to message. This could be a friend, a family member, or a colleague. You'll now be in the chat window where your past conversations are visible, if you've chatted with this contact before, that is. Next, you'll need to click on the plus icon, the plus, located near the chat box. This button opens up a variety of options related to attachments. We're looking for something specific, so don't get distracted by all the possibilities just yet. After hitting the plus icon, your next step is to select photos and videos. This option might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're after a GIF, not a photo or video per se, but trust me, this is the gateway to bringing animations into your conversations. Clicking photos and videos won't immediately take you to your files, so don't worry about being rushed into choosing something just yet. Now, you're probably wondering where the magic happens, how you go from here to actually inserting a GIF into your message. The answer lies within the window that opens up after selecting photos and videos. Here, instead of browsing for a photo or video, what you want to do is locate the GIF option, typically represented by a button or a tab labeled GIF, among the selection of choices. This button catapults you into a world of animated joy. Depending upon the layout of WhatsApp Web at the time of use, this option might be sitting at the bottom of the window or off to the side. Clicking on the GIF option brings up a search bar along with a plethora of trending GIFs. Here is where your creativity can shine. You can either scroll through the trending selections and find something that catches your eye, or if you have something specific in mind, use the search bar. Type in a keyword related to the emotion or action you wish to convey, and watch as a list of relevant GIFs appears. This feature is powered by various GIF libraries, so the options are virtually endless. When you find the GIF that perfectly captures what you're trying to say, clicking on it selects it for your message. Then all that's left to do is hit the send button. It's as simple as that. Your chosen GIF will now appear in your conversation thread, ready to amuse, comfort, or even confuse your contact depending on the GIF you've chosen. But before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips to enhance your WhatsApp Web GIF sending experience. Remember that the context of your conversation can greatly influence how your GIF is received. Choose wisely to ensure your message is understood as intended. Practice speed. The quicker you can send a GIF in response to a message, the more impactful it will be. And that, my friends, is everything you need to know to send GIFs on WhatsApp Web. With this knowledge, you can elevate your messaging game, bringing laughter, and expressive animations to your daily conversations. Whether it's a birthday wish, a reaction, or just a silly greeting, sending a GIF is a surefire way to make your messages stand out. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has inspired you to add a little bit of animation to your digital communications. Happy GIF sending, and I'll see you in the next video.